Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Here is a Holmes twin window fan. I don't know the model number on this uh, because I took it out of the window to check and I couldn't find the model number. So if anyone can tell me what the model number is in the comments, please let me know. If anyone uh, has one of these, um, I'd love to know what the model of yours is. If it's this same fan, please tell me what the model of it is because I'd really love to know. Um, anyway, this has been a great fan, except for a little crack in the side panel right here, and the mode indication has faded off. It's faded just with use, and there used to be temperatures on here, which uh, that's basically an electronic thermostat to shut the fans off. So that's what that does. And then you have your regular high, low speeds. And let's go ahead and start this fan up. So here is, I guess we'll start with low. Or maybe I'll do high. And yes, it runs really good. I'm sure you can hear wind noise. I hope so. uh, this really does run really good. Um, I've used it a lot and it works really good. Let's go to low speed now. Low. That's just the way my windows are. Uh, if you see it, it shifted back a little bit. Uh, that's just the way the windows in this house are. These aren't the original ones I got. We got new ones. And other than that, the fan works great. It fits good in here, except for a little bit of play right there. Here's your temperature on high. It'll go back to high. That's the farthest you can go on high. There's low. I believe that's like 60, 65. This is 70, maybe. And I think that's what it was, 75 and 80 at the end. Uh, you can set this fan. I've been using it all day today. Um, you can set it to where um, you can have one fan blowing out and the other fan blowing in. So it's kind of like a recirculation mode, like some of them have. Let me show you here. Well, I'll be back in a second. I don't want to leave the fan on and then reverse it because that might, while it's on, because that might scare one of my viewers and they might go, "Why are you doing that? You are going to fry the motor in that thing." And let me just pause it so I can show that. All right, let's try it now. The left fan is blowing out and the right fan is blowing in. So there's that. Here's the regular low speed. And just to show you how much power this thing has, or the suction on it, let me turn this to high real quick. I've got the left fan blowing out. Like I said, I've got a tissue here and it'll suck to the fan. So if you're using this fan in like a kitchen or somewhere in your house that needs to be, that's hot, there's a hot area in your house that needs to be cool off, you can, or if this is used in a kitchen where it's all smoky, this fan works really well at pulling the hot air out. So there's that one. This one's blowing in. So there's that. You got your same temperature things right there. I can go to exhaust and intake on the left and right fans. I know it does that. That's because the wind is blowing it. A little bit won't hurt it, but there it is. There's your intake. I don't want to make this video too long, so it might have to be, there might have to be a little bit of cuts in the video. So here's intake. I have this fan plugged into an extension cord that goes all the way under here. Just in case you're wondering, how is Vintage Fan Collector 1939 powering that fan? All right, there is the spin down, and now we will, I guess, end this video. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939.